Want to create professional videos without cameras, mics, actors, or editing skills? Today I'm showing you the ultimate AI video tool that literally turns text into stunning videos in minutes. Stay tuned to see how it works and how you can start using it today. Imagine typing a script and boom, you get a professional video with AI avatars speaking in over 100 languages instantly. No filming required. Synthesia AI is the #1 AI video creation platform that turns text into full videos with realistic AI avatars, voiceovers, captions, screen recordings, and more, all in one place. We're talking studio quality videos without the studio. Here's the secret. You just type your script, choose an avatar, and voice, and Synthesia does the rest. It automatically creates scenes, animation, and narration, then generates a downloadable video in minutes. Seriously, it's that fast. Unlike traditional video editors, you don't need cameras, lighting, microphones, or editing skills. Perfect for YouTube, training videos, marketing, courses, and business presentations. Teams can collaborate in real time inside the platform. You can start for free. And paid plans unlock more video minutes, avatars, languages, and templates. Entry plans start as low as around $80, $29 a month. Worth it if you're serious about content creation. Ready to create your first AI video with Synthesia AI? Click the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Whether you're a creator, marketer, teacher, or business owner, this tool will save you hours and money. Join thousands of users making videos smarter, faster, and easier. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more AI tools that change the game. Comment below what video you'll create first with Synthesia.